Hello everyone, this is Olivia Capitola, Assistant Professor, UG Department of Computer Applications, Jupyter College, teaching. The topic I am going to take is from the subject Fundamentals of Deep Learning, Unit 5, how to install the tools for deep learning. Now let's move on to the content. The tools for deep learning are Jupyter, Amazon SageMaker, AWS EC2 instance, Google Colab. So these are the tools we have. But for us now we are going to see about how to install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook in this session. So first Jupyter Notebook. The steps to install Anaconda and Jupyter Notebook is these are the 5 steps you have to do. Download Anaconda from the official website and download the latest version for your operating system. Install Anaconda, run the installer and follow the step of instructions. Launch Anaconda Navigator, open Anaconda Navigator from your system. Install Jupyter Notebook in Anaconda Navigator. Find Jupyter Notebook and install it. Run Jupyter Notebook, click Launch in the Anaconda Navigator or open a terminal and type it. So the steps for installing Anaconda distribution, go to the website anaconda.com and select Anaconda individual edition to download the latest version of Anaconda. You will be getting an .exe file that will be installed stored in your Windows download folder. You open that exe file. This is how your Anaconda individual edition will be shown. Click here for the downloads. So once you get the exe file, double click on it and start the Anaconda installation. So below are the screenshots for your easy information to complete your installation at ease. So first you will be having a setup window. Click on the next button and next you will get the license agreement. Click on I agree so that you can so go to the next slide. Advanced installation option. Click here install. Once the installation gets completed, click on the finish button. So next stage or the next step is to create an Anaconda environment for navigation. Open the Anaconda Navigator and from the Windows start or by searching it. So Anaconda Navigator is an UPI application where you can control the Anaconda packages and environment. So here you will have n number of Anaconda packages. From that you have to find Jupyter Notebook. So here I have circled and shown as a for your easy use. The next step is select the plus create icon at the bottom of the screen to create an Anaconda environment. Once the Anaconda environment gets created, install and run the Jupyter Notebook is your third step. Once you create the Anaconda environment, go to the home page on Anaconda Navigator and install Notebook from an application on the right panel. This will take few steps and few seconds for the installation on your environment. So I have marked the shown you in the red color as first you have to go for Anaconda Navigator environment, your environment and open and select open with Jupyter Notebook. Here is the next in the next slide. So in this slide you will be seeing what I have shown you in the earlier slide. Environment, select my environment and finally open with Jupyter Notebook. Once you find this, your Jupyter Notebook gets installed and then this will be opening a Jupyter Notebook in your default browser which you have chosen as default. Either it can be a Chrome or a Mozilla Firefox or Microsoft Edge. So this is how a page will be getting open. From this, what you have to do is now select new Python X and enter the view below lines and select run. So the below lines I have given as a sample as print hello world. So once you type it and click the run button, you will get the output as hello world. So next is sample for addition of two numbers 2 plus 3. You will be getting 5. Or else you can declare a data type string is equal to my first program print string. You will be getting the output as my first program. Or you can use any of the code according to your wish. and to execute and select the run button. So this is how you have to do your coding, and this is how you have to install it. This completes the installing Anaconda and running Jupyter notebook. Enjoy your learning. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you.